Students learn the word voltage, memorize formulas about it, and still have no idea what it actually is. So what is voltage really? And why can you have voltage even when nothing is happening? Most people think voltage is electricity, or they think voltage is the thing that flows through wires. That's actually current, not voltage. Voltage doesn't flow. Voltage is a difference. Voltage is electrical pressure. Just like water pressure pushes water through pipes, voltage pushes electric charge through a circuit. No pressure difference? Nothing moves. Voltage doesn't move. It makes movement possible. Here we have a battery. There is voltage between these two terminals, but no current flows because there's no path. Now we've created a path. The voltage difference pushes current through the resistor. More voltage equals to more push, which equals to more current. Now both ends are at the same electrical level. No voltage difference equals to no push, which equals to no current. Same voltage, but now almost no resistance. The push is still there, but nothing is limiting current. This is why short circuits are dangerous. Voltage is what allows LEDs to light, motors to spin, microcontrollers to operate. But voltage alone doesn't mean work is being done. There must be a path. Voltage is the electrical pressure difference that makes current possible.